Hey guys, a couple things I wanted to go over about this unit. There is not a tab for this unit, so you will have to scroll down, and it is 6B Mini Radical Unit. So if I click on that, and my Schoology page has been running super slow today. Once you click on that, there's only going to be a 1-week folder in there. So we're doing a Mini Radical Unit that will only last from March 10th until March 17th. Next Wednesday on March 17th, you guys will have a quiz to take over this unit. This unit you may not use a calculator on. The reason being, the whole reason I'm taking a week to go over a Mini Radical Unit is because a lot of you didn't get this unit in Algebra 1. It was taught during the shutdown. So if you weren't following along with your teacher, then you probably did not get this unit. And even if you were following along, we probably didn't go as in depth as we would like to have gone. So make sure that you are not using a calculator so that when you get to Algebra 2 next year, that you understand how to use this concept within the work that you're going to be doing in Algebra 2. Because if you don't understand how to do radicals, you're going to have some confusion in Algebra 2. There's also problems on ACT and EOC and whatnot that will expect you to understand radicals. So as always, there's the what to do. Print that off and make sure to just do it in order. Items in the folder are listed in order. There's a video on reducing radicals, 2 homework assignments, multiplying radicals, homework assignments. There will be a video in here for dividing radicals, then a couple homework assignments, adding and subtracting radicals, and then a couple homework assignments. This quick check practice is just to get you ready for what I'm calling the quick check, which is a mini quiz. This mini quiz will be open on Wednesday, March 17th for you to take. In your packet, there are also radical sheets 1 through 6. Here's the answer keys to those, so make sure to complete those. I will also have in here the packet that you need to print off for this Mini Radical Unit. I will also have, so while you're printing that off, the next unit, Unit 7, which we will start on March 17th, I will have the notes and supplemental sheets in that unit, so you can go ahead and print all of it off at the same time if you would like to do that. No calculator on the quick check next Wednesday on the mini quiz that you're going to be taking. Again, Google Meets on Tuesdays and Fridays from 10:30 to 11. Go to meet.google.com, type in geometry help to access those meets. And always email me if you have any questions. All right, thanks guys.